In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom meeting directly from Slack. Whether you're working remotely or just trying to streamline your workflow, integrating Zoom with Slack can be a real game changer. By the end of this session, you'll be able to seamlessly start and join meetings with just a few clicks. First, make sure that the Zoom app is properly installed in your Slack workspace and that your Zoom account is fully connected. This integration is essential for smooth communication between the two platforms. Once you have that set up, you're ready to get started. To start a Zoom meeting from Slack, navigate to any channel or direct message where your team or contact is. Here's a simple way to initiate the meeting. Type the / command, which is a handy feature built into Slack, allowing you to execute commands quickly. So, you'll type out Zoom and hit send. This command is an effective shortcut, immediately launching a Zoom meeting and notifying everyone in the channel. If you prefer using the interface, there's an alternative. You can click the call button if it's been set up in your channel or direct message. This button serves as a visual cue and simplifies the process even more. By simply clicking it, you can launch a Zoom meeting directly. This approach might be particularly useful if you're in a channel where you're accustomed to seeing the call button, making it feel intuitive and easy to access. Now let's move on to joining a Zoom meeting through Slack. If someone posts a Zoom join link within Slack, you'll notice an integrated join button appearing next to it. Clicking this button is as straightforward as it gets and is a direct route into the meeting. Alternatively, if you're equipped with a meeting ID or a personal link name, you can use another command to join an existing meeting. Type out Zoom join, followed by the specific meeting ID or personal link name. This method is ideal when you don't have a clickable link, and it allows you to hop into meetings efficiently, even when the link is shared externally or via other communication means. And there you have it. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, launching and joining Zoom meetings straight from Slack becomes a breeze. It's all about making the most of these integrations to improve your workflow. Remember, the key is to ensure all the initial setups are in place, so that these features can work seamlessly together. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you to navigate your virtual work environment with confidence and ease. Stay connected and productive, and we'll see you again in the next video.